Hi everyone, this is Yla Mae and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my everyday makeup routine. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So I will not be using my glasses today. I'll be wearing my favorite contact lenses in Mystic Gray from Ideal Vision. So ang una kong gagawin is I'll spray mist on my face, which is from Lux Organics in the variant Rose Water. This is actually perfect for all skin types, and you can use this before or after your makeup. After that, let it dry for about 20 seconds. Then, after that, let's apply our sunscreen. So right now, I'll be using the Bello Tinted Sunscreen. This is my go-to sunscreen, and I use this every day, especially if I'll go out or go to work. So, ganyan lang siya. Lagay lang sa face ng paunti-unti. And then, just blend it. First thing that I do is, bi-blend ko siya using yung kamay ko. Then, after is, I'll be using my sponge. Gustong-gusto ko tong sunscreen na to because it has SPF 50 and PA+++ to protect us against harmful UV rays. Aside from that, it has a tone-adapt technology na naka-even out ng skin tone natin. So, after sa face, nilalagyan ko din ng sunscreen ang neck ko. And after putting sunscreen, I also put concealer and eyebrows. Di lang siya na-record, my bad. So, after, I'll be putting on my lip and cheek tint from KJM in the shade Dulled. This is one of my favorite lip and cheek tint. And I'll be using my sponge to blend it out. Ayoko kasing gamitin yung kamay ko kasi nagsistain siya sa kamay. So, yeah, ganyan lang. Ang dali lang i-blend ng cheek tint na ito. And just a disclaimer, I'm not an expert when it comes to makeup, pero gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. So, wala lang, simpleng makeup lang yung ginagawa ko just to look fresh and glowing. So, next is contour. I'll be using the contour stick from Careline. So, sige lang, contour lang, mas dili kabalo. Pero sige lang, as long as lumiit yung face natin, okay lang yan. Then, i-blend lang natin siya sa face. I'm still using my sponge. And after ng contour, maglalagay ako ng highlights. So, I'll be using the Careline Strobe Stick. So, favorite ko rin to para ano lang, pampa-shiny shimmering sa face natin. So, lagay lang ako sa below ng kilay, sa cheeks, on my chin, and on my nose. And then, I'll be curling my lashes. For my mascara, I'll be using Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. So, this is also my favorite mascara. And ito lagi yung binibili ko whenever nauubos na ito. Naglalagay din ako on my lashes below my eyes para mas mukhang gising yung mata natin. Then, after, I'll put my lip tint and also lalagyan ko din yung mata ko para lang magkakulay ng konti. Then, on top of my lip tint, maglalagay ako ng darker shade para mas lalo siyang magandang tingnan. And then, yan na. Yan lang yung everyday makeup look ko. So, as you can see, it's very easy. Pwedeng-pwede nyong gayahin for you to look fresh and glowing every day. So, by the way, if you have suggestions for my next video, just comment down below. And please do not forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching!